These are the top 7 most women moments in cars history. First up, we got a woman who thinks driving a car doesn't require a license.
I do not have to have a driver's license to drive a car. This is not a commercial vehicle.
Okay.
I know my rights.
Okay. You're under arrest.
Next, these TikTokers are getting way out of hand. At number 3, I bet you haven't seen anything like this before. And the worst thing is that they almost put diesel in it. Next, can someone comment down and tell me what medical condition this is called?
I can help you talk to someone.
He didn't use his turn signal!
Man, can I please call you an ambulance?
At number 5, I think we found a twin sister for number 3rd. Maybe they share the same brain cells.
It's a little more expensive than I thought it'd be. You're pumping diesel! What? I'm just pumping gas.
Oh my god! How much did you pump?
Oh, I just started.
Why would you do that? Put it. You just ruined the Jeep.
How?
You pumped diesel!
I don't understand. I just used the green.
You're gonna have to call a tow truck. Green? Diesel's green!
Okay, but I don't get it. I just used one.
Go sit in the car. I'm gonna call a tow truck.
Next, she still tried to blame her husband. Classic plot twist.
What did you do?
What did you do? I don't know what I did.
You broke the bomb. Look, you're going.
Well, next time you put gas. Why do you have me doing it? You're the man. You should be doing it.
You're the stubborn one, hard-headed.
What kind of man are you?
I told I was gonna do it
What
later.
kind of man are you? You should have been doing that.
I
Not me.
told you I was gonna do it later.
Now look what happened.
That's your fault. Don't blame me for that.
I blame you.
And finally, at number 7. Yeah, I got no words, just pain.
Let's go, girls. Come on. I'm going.
And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you don't want your wife to end up like this, leave a like and subscribe before she finds your car keys.